Hey loves, welcome back to the channel. Today we got another beautiful unit for you. This is part of their Sleeklaypart collection from Outre, honey, whatever you want to pronounce them. This unit is 18 inches. Her name is Antalia. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right, but I think it might be something else. But I got it in this beautiful blonde type brown color. The color is giving, you guys. So right out of the pack, you see that beautiful color blend of the blonde, the browns. Yes, look at the highlights on that. This is inside of the cap. She is a right side part. We have two combs off to the side. We also have a comb in the back and adjustable straps. The stretchability on here is awesome. Look at the curl and the blend, y'all. Woohoo! I can't wait to see this. So this is me just popping her on before I do anything. That parting is beautiful. Baby hairs are nice. Fits really good. The cap size seems great. Here is the back of the unit. Very, very pretty. Them curls are everything, y'all. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to just use my Ebon tint spray and I'm going to tint her. I'll leave all of this link down below. And then we're going to go in and style her. Yes. So here is the wig on my wig head. I am going to go in and put some product in her. I don't think I'm going to pluck it. I think the parting space looks really good. But I am going to go in and put some heat to the top of here and push those baby hairs back. So I'm going to do that and come back. Okay, here she is after I have styled her. I went in and pushed those baby hairs back, put a little heat to the top, got my clips in there holding my areas together. I also put some product in her, so she's looking very, very pretty. That part is still looking really sexy. I did not pluck her. That is just how she came, and the curls are still popping. Now I'm going to remove the lace on here, and we're about to get it. All right, we have cut that lace off. I have went in and defined that part with my powder. Now time for the install. So now we are gonna go ahead and install her after I have prepped my wig. She is very, very beautiful. Already she is giving. I am gonna have to go in. I'm trying to put those clips in there and see how she lays. I was hoping that I can wear her glueless, but I can see that I'm gonna have to use some of my spray to kind of lay her down and make her look flat. She is already giving though. Can you see the curls and how they are just popping back? That is just so sexy, so pretty, very flirty. Yes, if you love curls, honey, yes, this is the wig for you. Just with a little bit of prep work, not too much. Yes, ain't she pretty, y'all? Can we give 2 claps for the hairline? But as you can see that was lifting up. So I'm going to put my little clips back up here. And I'm going to go in and I'm going to use some of my freeze spray and spray her down. And I was just looking at how much area that I needed to spray down. So first I'm going to do my side over here. Make sure that I get her laid down nice and flat. And I'm going to get my blow dryer and blow that side down. Make sure that it is melted to my head. Yes, 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 yes. Very, very pretty. Very pretty. Now I'm just going to go through and do the rest of the top up there because I can still see it lifting up. So I want to make sure that that is properly laid down to my head. Yes. Let's talk about it, ladies. Hi sweets, welcome back to the channel today. Yes, 2023. We made it. Yes, I am coming in with a headbanger, y'all. Okay, I hope your holidays was great. Mine was great. Now it's time to get to the business, baby. Okay, I'm gonna come giving y'all these wigs like I told y'all. I'm trying to upload more, so back at it, boo. So I'm gonna hop right into it. So today we are back with another Outre, honey, however you want to pronounce it, wig. But this is part of their Sleeklaypart collection, and she is giving y'all. Okay, let's hop right on into these specs. So this is Antonelli. I know I'm probably mispronouncing that, but I'll put it over here in whatever y'all want to call her. Okay, we'll just leave it at that. I have her in the color DRFF4 Frosted Dark Blonde. And can I say that this color is giving? It's got the dark roots, it's got the blonde, it's got all the different color browns. Yes, this color is everything. Okay, it says that she's 18 inches. It does say that she is heat resistant. I did put heat to her, so I would say that she takes heat very, very well. It says HD transparent lace. She does come with baby hair. She comes with that C part kind of going around, and I didn't have to do any plucking. Okay, the parting was great on that. Okay, I would give them that. As for the texture, she's not a yucky. Okay, if you are a yucky girl or a yucky guy, she's not yucky. Okay, but she has like some synthetic fibers in there that give her kind of a yucky look, because when I seen it online, I actually thought it was yucky, but sis and bruh, it's not yucky. It's more on the silky side, but it's got some synthetic kind of yucky fibers in there, if that makes sense. Besides that, that's pretty much all that they have on here for the description. She has some beautiful colors on here. Right now they have every color still available. I got this very early. They was having a sale going on, like everything 50% off. So I kind of copped a lot of their brand new wigs. Okay, so right now they still have everything. And I got this off of divatress.com, but with this being a new wig, you should be able to, if you go early enough, to kind of cop this wig in whatever color you want and whatever site that you choose. I will leave all the links down below of where I can find her, and then you guys choose where you want to go. But she has some very beautiful colors. I only got this one color because I was like, I'm not going to be buying all these wigs and then I get it and I don't like it. I was like, let me try one. If I like it, then I'll go back and buy some more. I think this will be beautiful in a number 1. Also in a like a red velvet type color. It's the curls for me. The curls are just given. I love some good curls in my face. She is very bouncy, very easy to put on. If you are a beginner to wigs, this is a very beginner friendly wig for you. Not much to do, okay? You don't have to put heat to her, but I love to give like that good, like it done grown out of my head and I done went and got my hair color type look, feel me? So I love putting heat to my wigs to kind of make it look a little bit more realistic. So to each his own, but you really don't have to do that. This is a good get up and go type wig in my opinion. I did put some products on her. All of the products that I use, I will also link down below in the description box. So if you want to use the same ones, you can. This, see, look at that part right there. Oh, boom. Right back into place. Okay, I love some good pretty curls in my face. And can you just look at that hairline? Can we give a hand clap for the hairline? Okay, boom. I love everything about this wig, y'all. Everything. Okay, she is a slay. And y'all know what we do on this channel. She's either a slay or nay. Comment below. Slay, baby, slay, like I just told y'all. I'm definitely gonna go cop me another color in this unit. Okay, this is definitely one that you could dress up and dress down. I am getting out today, okay, on a little date adventure with my hubby, so I am slaying this today, girl. I'm ready to go, bitch. Okay, period. Yes, I'm gonna get up out of here and slay this wig today. But for my people who are new, who are just clicked on this channel, if you love my content, please subscribe. Please turn on your notification bells. For all my sweets that have joined since over the holidays and the new year, welcome to my channel. My name is Sweetie. I'm here to slay these wigs and also give you the tea on certain products, okay? If you're interested in all of that, like I said, please subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. Follow me over on TikTok. I normally do a reel over there about the next wig that I'm coming out with before I post it on YouTube. So if you're interested, go follow me over there. And until next time, my sweets, we finna get it for 2023, y'all. Yes! I'll see you in the next video. Bye.